Welcome back to TesLUCKY, the YouTube channel where you can follow the adventures of Lucky the Tesla. This is going to be a PS to the conclusion video that we posted in our vlog series on the Tesla Model X repairs process following our minor car accident with Lucky. I have learned some new information and I have some new tips associated with saving money if you are ever in a car accident in your Tesla. Unfortunately, we're going to talk about the rental car process and those gas receipts. So first, as it relates to our channel in general, if you already love Tesla, if you're thinking about buying a Tesla, or if you're just curious about electric vehicles in general, please subscribe to our channel, TesLUCKY. All of our videos are Tesla related. And if you enjoy the videos that you see here on TesLUCKY, please click the bell for notifications. So I have some information to share that happened yesterday relating to the reimbursement process with the car rental expenses for our when we had our minor car accident and we were without Lucky for 28 days. Before I get into the letter that I sent to the insurance company and the end result in the process, I want to ask the viewers first, how many of you have had to have a rental car associated with losing your Tesla in a car accident and having to go through the repairs process? How many of you had a rental car, had rental car coverage with your insurance? And then what was your experience on whether the insurance company would reimburse you for the gas or not associated with the rental for a car accident that we will just presume was not your fault? So the reason that I am producing this video and asking about this topic is that when I was going through this, the insurance adjusters on both my company, Progressive, and the other insurance party, AAA, were saying that they may or may not get approval to reimburse me for gas for my rental car, which is of course something that I would not have been paying for if I hadn't been in a car accident that was not my fault. So when it came time, when we got Lucky back and I submit the rental car receipt, I went ahead and sent in on paper all of our gas receipts as well. And I sent a letter, and I want to read you the exact language on this letter in case it helps somebody in a similar situation who may not have thought about trying to get the gas reimbursed for the time that you were away from your Tesla. So I wrote the letter. During the last 28 days, my vehicle was in the body shop. I incurred gas expenses of $389.29. AAA should reimburse me for the $389.29 in my gas expenses because this accident was not my fault. I drive a Tesla and have free supercharging for life, so I do not pay for either gas or charging for my vehicle. Because I didn't want them to come back and say, well, you didn't have to pay for gas, but you didn't have to pay for the electricity to charge your vehicle either, which we all know as Tesla drivers is a very small fraction of the cost of gas is the increase to your electric bill. I mean, it's pretty much not even noticeable in our case with one Tesla. I mean, your electric bill goes up, like maybe $30-40 a month tops. But regardless, that's another topic. So I wrote here, I am seeking reimbursement from AAA for both the cost of my rental car and the gas. And yesterday, AAA informed me that this was approved, that they did already send me the total cost of my rental, which was over $1,400 for the 28-day period, and for the $389.29 a gas. Can we get a round of applause and a yes for AAA? I was so prepared to have to negotiate and argue this and tell them that it was, pain and suffering for me to have to pump gas into my car, and that this accident was not my fault, and it's just not fair that I had to pay this out of pocket. And I am so relieved that I don't have to. And for me, going through this process, that was a question mark from the very beginning. The insurance companies are like, well, save your receipts. You may or may not get reimbursed for that, because I asked about this, early in the process. Should I save the receipts and would I get reimbursed? And I didn't get the answer until yesterday. So I wanted to share this information with all the viewers of TesLUCKY. If you're a current Tesla driver or a future Tesla driver, if you find yourself in an insurance situation, getting a rental car, save your gas receipts. Write a nice, simple letter telling them you don't pay for gas, you don't pay for charging, and hopefully you will get the same outcome that we did, because we now have an extra $389.29 in our pocket, thanks to AAA making the right decision for this Tesla owner, unfortunately in a car accident, not my fault. So I hope that this has been helpful. Any thoughts or questions, please leave them in the comments below. We answer each and every one of our comments. I hope that none of you are dealing with car accident issues anytime soon. We all know that these things happen, but please drive safe in whatever your vehicle is. Thanks for spending time on TesLUCKY. We hope you will check out some of our other videos. Have a good day. Bye.